Hi! So it's me, Burnt Tomatoes. So today I'm going to try to sneeze with my eyes open. It's gonna be so hard. I'm just gonna put it on. If like I breathe in through my mouth, sometimes it'll help me sneeze. Let's work. Gosh dang it.